guys, this is a larger boathouse we built earlier this year along with the seawall. Well, the customer's got a larger boat than what we built the boathouse. I couldn't imagine that because that's actually a pretty good sized boathouse. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a hip off of one side and put a gable end on the other side, give a little bit more clearance for the top of the boat to get in. Big old catamaran boat coming in here. It's going to be nice. Getting the hip tore off of this now, and we're actually cleaning all the lumber up. We don't take all the good lumber and throw it in a landfill. We actually bring it to our reclaim center. My wife's got a nice little company where she sells all the reclaimed wood. We keep it out of the landfill. Sell it at a great reduced price. Makes it real convenient for people that are needing to build stuff. get back into the ridge of the boathouse so we can put a scab alongside the existing ridge to add the new ridge to it. We are drilling the 2x10 collar ties because of the span of the boathouse. We got a 5-on-12, but we don't have any support on the outside of the pilings. So we're going to make sure that we kind of turn these rafters into trusses. Got 4 1/2-inch bolts going on each side. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video on demoing this hip style roof and turning it into a gable. Hey, if you would subscribe to the channel, share, like if you would. I got a lot more projects coming up. Got a big seawall that actually failed. We're gonna have to go tear that out, put a new seawall in. Got a couple other retainer walls and just a lot of interesting stuff. Stay tuned. But we've got the beam out, we got the hip off the end, went ahead and built the gable. We stiffened up the rafters pretty good to support the opening there. And guys headed down to South Florida now to purchase this boat, bring it back, and it should fit in there perfectly. We got about 6 foot of water in there also.